Hi students, I am Rojamani, HOD, Department of Computer Science, Dr. Lankapalli Bullaya College. Today I would like to explain about SQL DDL commands. First, objectives of SQL commands. First one, understand the basics of relational databases. Next one, write SQL code based on ANSI or ISO standard to build and maintain database structure. Next objective, update database content with SQL and transaction handling. Next objective, retrieve data from single or multiple tables. Process data with row and aggregate function. Last one, manipulate data with correlated and non-correlated subqueries. SQL commands. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used for storing and managing data in relational database management system. The history means SQL history. It is special purpose language used to define, access and manipulate data in RDBMS. SQL provides a set of statements for storing and retrieving data. The original version called SQL full form Structured English Query Language was designed by IBM in mid 1970. SQL was first introduced as a commercial database system in 1979 by Oracle Corporation. Today, almost all modern relational database management systems like Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Oracle DB2, Sybase, and Informix use SQL as standard database language. Most of these have provided their own implementation, thus enhancing its features and making it a powerful tool. In 1986, IBM developed the first prototype of relational database and standardized by ANSI, American National Standard Information. The first relational database was released by Relational Software, which later came to known as Oracle. SQL became a standard of the American National Standards Institute in 1986. This is the history of SQL. SQL commands. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data into table, drop the table, modify the table, and set permissions for users. It is standard language for relational database system. All RDBMS like MySQL, Informix, Oracle, MS Access, and SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. What are the rules? Follow the SQL query. SQL query language is not case sensitive. Generally, keywords of SQL are written in uppercase. Statements of SQL are dependent on text lines. We can use a single SQL statement on one or multiple text lines. What are the characteristics? SQL is easy to learn. SQL is used to access data from relational database. SQL is used to describe the data. SQL is used to create and drop the database and table. There are different types of SQL commands. DDL commands, data manipulation language DML commands, data control language DCL commands, transaction control language TCL commands. This is the flowchart of SQL commands. First one, DDL commands. DDL means data definition language. Actually, DDL consists of different types of commands: create command, drop command, alter command, truncate command, commit and comment command, and rename command. Create command. To create a command in the database, a DBA must have certain information in hand: the table name, column data type, and column sizes. All this information can be modified later using DDL commands. Restrictions to declare table or column name. The table or column name must begins with alphabets. It can contain numbers and special characters. It can be up to 30 characters in length. A table can contain maximum of 1000 columns. Next one, syntax of create command. The syntax of create command: create table. Create table is a reserved. Next, table name within brackets, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, up to column and data type, close bracket, semicolon. Here table name is the name of the table. Table name is user defined. Column name 1, name 2, name 3 is the name of the columns. Data type is the data type for the columns like character, date, number, etc. For example, if you want to create an employee table, employee is a table name. The statement would be like create table. Create table is a common for all tables. Create table employee. ID number within brackets, size. Name, character data, size 20 characters. DEPT, character 10, size. Age, number data, size 2. Salary, number data type, size 10. Location, character data, size 10. Close the bracket, semicolon. Next command, drop command. Drop statement is used to drop an existing table or database. This statement is used to drop an existing table. When we use this statement, complete information or complete data of the table will be lost. Syntax: drop table, table name. Here also table name user defined. Drop is a reserved. Example: drop table, table name. Employee info is a table name. Next command, truncate command. This command is used to delete the information present in the table but does not declare the table. Syntax: truncate table, table name. Truncate command release memory allocated for table. Truncate command deletes all the data from a table permanently. Syntax: truncate table, table name. Example: truncate table, table name, employee information. Next important command, alter command. The alter command is used to delete, modify, add constraints or columns in an existing table. Syntax of add column. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type. For example, to add a column experience to the employee table, the query would be like alter table employee, add experience. Experience is column name, number is data type, 3 is size of experience column. Next one, drop. Syntax of drop: alter table, table name, drop column name. Example, to drop the column location from the employee table. The query would be like alter table employee drop location. Here alter table is reservoirs, employee is table name, drop reservoir, location is a column name. Next one, modify. In alter command, modify the column name data type. For example, to modify the column salary in existing employee table, the query would be like alter table employee modify salary 15 comma 2. The number is data type. 15 comma 2 means the width of column. Next, add. Alter table name, add column name data type. Alter table name, drop column name. Example, how to add column. Already discussed in previous example. Alter table employee, add blood group. Data type varchar. Drop column. Drop alter table employee information. Drop column blood group. Next, modify. This statement is used to change the data type of an existing column in a table. The main syntax: alter table name, alter column name, data type. Simple example: alter table employee information, add date of birth, year. Next one, alter table employee information, alter table date. Next, DDL command, rename. With rename statement, you can rename a table. Some of the relational database management system does not support this command because this is not standardizing statement. Syntax to rename a table: rename reservoir old table name to reservoir new table name semicolon. For example, to change the name of the table employee to my employee, the query would be like rename employee to my employee semicolon. Summary. Finally, as we learn, SQL commands or SQL statements are used to interact with SQL databases. Databases consist of columns and rows. Usually, SQL commands are written in all caps for better readability. But SQL is not case sensitive and all capitalization options work equally. You may need to use semicolon after each statement for some databases. Thank you. If any doubts, please contact me.